Welcome to my channel. Please enjoy the video.
So it seems that your girl Blac Chyna is in the news again. And this time, Blac Chyna is ready to clear her name after Rob Kardashian's friend refused to attend that deposition. Blac Chyna claims that choking Rob Kardashian with that iPhone cord was only self-defense. However, she is demanding that his lawsuit against her be tossed out as soon as possible. Back in December of 2016, Blac Chyna fired back at Rob Kardashian's lawsuit over that alleged assault from Christmas of 2016. Chyna denied all allegations of wrongdoing or that she caused any damage to either Rob, Kylie, or Jenner. She argues any alleged forceful conduct on her part was caused and necessitated by the actions of all the plaintiffs, and she claims that it was necessary for the defendants' self-defense and defense of others. Chyna is demanding that the entire lawsuit be dismissed and that Rob not be awarded a dime. Kylie Jenner also sued Chyna in that same lawsuit, and she was accusing her of vandalizing her house that she was renting to Rob. She estimated that the damage to be in excess of $100,000. Rob alleged that Chyna went ballistic on him and even tried to choke him with an iPhone cord. He claimed that she consumed a significant amount of drugs and alcohol on the night of December 14th of 2016. Rob Kardashian claims that Chyna lunged towards him with that iPhone cord charging cable and attempted to strangle him with the cord around his neck. He says that he was able to get away from her, but she chased after him and repeatedly struck him with the cord in his head and in his face. Rob said Chyna then continued to trash the home he was renting from Kylie. He claimed that she damaged a television and broke down a door, damaged walls and destroyed cell phones, and even smashed a gingerbread home that was made for the holidays. And guys, I'm gonna stop it right here and just drop my own opinion of what I think this whole situation is about. For one, Rob Kardashian is placing a lawsuit on Blac Chyna for domestic violence, and it doesn't stop here, guys, and this is why I say this. This cannot in any way be a lawsuit. If anything, these should be criminal charges. Because in the midst of all of this, Rob Kardashian also claimed that Blac Chyna pointed a gun at his head, and he said, "I feared for my life." And guys, let's not get it twisted. Remember we talked about December 14th of 2016 at that little Christmas event that they had at their home. Rob Kardashian not only claimed that Blac Chyna attempted to choke him with that iPhone cord, he went on to state that she pointed a gun at his head. And he seems to be suing her for money over these matters in which occurred. And guys, in my opinion, something is very wrong here. He stated that she used my phone to FaceTime my friend Victory, and while on the FaceTime with him, Chyna pointed the gun at me and threatened me. And this is what Rob Kardashian stated in his declaration. About 20 or 30 minutes later, Blac Chyna came to the guest room, still holding a gun, and FaceTimed my friend Eugene. When we were on FaceTime, Chyna pointed the gun at my head and threatened me. She also threatened Eugene. So Rob, inquiring minds want to know, she threatened you while she was on FaceTime with your friend Eugene and threatened him as well with a gun. But he was on FaceTime and not in person. Like I stated, guys, something is definitely wrong with Rob's story. Because later, Rob Kardashian stated he believed that Blac Chyna intended to inflict severe injury to him and he feared for his life. So if Rob Kardashian felt that Blac Chyna was inflicting severe injury to him and he feared for his life, why didn't he call 911? Why isn't Blac Chyna in prison at this point? Or why hasn't she been locked up? Rob Kardashian went on to state, "I did not think that Chyna's threats and physical attacks were funny or even a joke. And of course, I never consented to her violently attacking me or threatening to harm me." And the fact that he says that he never consented to her attacking him or physically harming him, child. However, guys, he went on to state, "I believe that she could even kill me intentionally, or because she was in such of a drunken, heightened state, she could slip up and shoot me accidentally." But once again, guys, he filed a lawsuit against Blac Chyna. And in my opinion, I'm having a very tough time believing your story, Rob. Well, it seems that Chyna's attorney disputed that Rob's claims that he was threatened by Chyna, they were false. Rob also admitted that he never feared for his life and actually thought it was funny when Chyna teased him while holding this unloaded gun. I told y'all his ass was lying. But also in his filing, Kardashian alleged that Chyna consumed drugs and alcohol that night. And I'm sure he consumed some too. Rob states that when Chyna is drunk and high, she's very strong. He said this in his declarations as well. And as the night went on, she became more and more intoxicated and her behavior escalated, and she became very violent and aggressive. Rob Kardashian went on to further state that he attempted to give her some space, and this is before she allegedly attacked him with that iPhone charger. In February, Chyna filed a motion to dismiss her ex's assault and battery claim. Chyna did not intend to inflict injury on Rob, and because she did not do it, in fact harm him, Rob claim for an assault and battery failed. And once again, guys, this shit smells funky. If this was battery and assault, why is he suing her for that? Why isn't this criminal charges? Because he in fact lied. That's why. At one point, Chyna was choking me with a charger and it was wrapped very tightly around my neck. I was very fortunate enough to pull the cable, he said in those court documents. I went to the master bedroom to get away from her and she locked the door. Guys, domestic violence is nothing to play about. He went on to say that later that day, things even escalated even more when Chyna allegedly broke down the bedroom door when he ran to get away from her. She threw something that smashed the room's television and used that metal rod, and he said that she hit him with that as well. He also stated this in a declaration. And in my opinion, Rob, your ass should be locked up. Locked up for putting false claims on Chyna. And in my opinion, guys, he's trying to put her in a very false light because him and his mother wants to take that baby away from her. And I made another video about all of these calls. People were calling in on Blac Chyna, calling DCFS, trying to get her child removed from the home. And these are the characters that I'm speaking of in this video. However, guys, none of this is fact until proven otherwise. And it's already been proven because Rob admitted to lying on Blac Chyna. To protect the integrity of my YouTube channel, everything is alleged. And this is all public information. However, guys, it seems that Rob Kardashian went on to tell more beautiful ass lies. He even had Kris Jenner's boyfriend, Corey Gamble, to help him with the story about Chyna. Rob, he came into the house and pulled Chyna off of me when she was attacking me with her fist and she was hitting me in my face, head, and back. He helped me get out of the house and into my car. When I was trying to pull out of the driveway, Chyna took the chair and threw it at my car. And in its own declaration, Gamble admitted to finding Chyna in a very agitated state, and she was in fact attacking Rob with her fist. See, guys, in my opinion, the problem from Rob is that there is not a shred of piece of evidence to prove his false allegations. In fact, Rob even admitted under oath that he sustained no injuries and did not require any medical attention. He did not even seek any help from law enforcement, like I stated. And according to the source, there was not even a violent attack. Guys, this situation is definitely outrageous. Let me know what you think. Drop your comments down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.